my people, wonder shall never end. Another one don't happen. Hand don't meet mommy G, oh my people. No be small something this life e no balance. Make una come see wetin mommy G do. Hand really meet her. Mommy G they say children. Person pikin. E just keep pregnant women for a custody. After they deliver, you will carry the children. I don't know whether they use it until they do richie. I don't know whether they sell and they give people when not get children. I don't know my people. Now you have to come meet her. No be small something. May not come be say I carry the talk this matter. I go play the video. More na for see waiting. One mommy Gio come still do again. Oh my people. No be small thing. Mommy Gio.
Never bring men to pregnant them. They come on their own. I never. They come on their own. Only these 6 of them. Only these 6. I never get past like this. How much is it? I know they say I don't give my photos when no one, when no gets. How much is it? 1.4. 1.4 million for one.
Where is it located? Your
At Alo.
say 1.4. That 1.4
is for a girl. A boy is 1.5.
Now the girls themselves, how much will be
It depends the price where they come and the month.
Explain well. I say it depends on the time.
If I will come to do, I will give her like 800, 900. If I'm from 5 months, I give 600, 650. If not 3 months, I pay 350, 400.
So why did you right now, madam? Which you are quite sure.
I never did bad. I never give ritual before. I never give ritual before. The people will not get to let they give. So this lady called.
My people, things they happen. Oh, things are really happening. She can't even they cry, say she never do ritual before. Oh, Asa, he said never do ritual before. They say them. They say that they give people. Say people when not get pikin, they sell and they give. Say he never do ritual before. This woman get mind though. Mommy Gio. Mommy Gio, now be this one pastor wife. Now be this one oh, not be ordinary person. Pastor wife, now they carry mother. They say they give another people when you don't know outside that. They sell and they give them. You don't know who be who. Whether they use the they do richie or not. And she they use a matter talk say what make her they cry be say she never do richie before. You never do ritual. Or now they see this life, say this life not balance. Mommy Gio when they stand for altar, if a husband they preach, she herself go still there beside her husband. Now it be this one now when they carry mother, they say her. It is finished, my people. We don't know where we they go. He said all these women when get belle, say now then they use their hands till they come. No, not be she bring they come. How come? This woman never talk truth at all. She they cover up. How person go get belle? The person go just waka come meet you say I get belle. Oh, I beg see my life, hold me, take care of me, use me to do what you like. Like seriously, if some people they come out for this national TV, they lie. They don't know the way when they tell they lie. Person get belle, he use he leg waka come meet you say I get belle. Oh, they take care of me or carry the baby. They sell her out. They give her to people when I don't know. This life is not balance. If na ordinary person do this one, they will say na ordinary person. Now mommy Gio. Now mommy Gio now be this one so. Not be ordinary person, mommy Gio. Now they carry another woman. When carry 9 months, they carry him baby. They say things they happen. No, things they happen. No, my people may will beware where will they go. See this mommy Gio now. If they get belle now, mommy Gio, I get belle. Maybe as she be mommy Gio, maybe others lady now. go meet mommy Gio, go explain, give and say, mommy Gio, I get belle, my boyfriend wey pregnant me, take the responsibility, take care of me. Na him mommy Gio come take the opportunity now. They use am take dey sell their children. Mommy Gio now dey cry say she never do ritual before o. Na him make am dey cry. All the children when they dey deliver, when they dey born, when you dey say dey give out, which people you dey sell and dey give? All these people when you sell and give, you go fit bring dem come out? Bring all of dem come out. As they dey deliver now, you dey say na only 6. As they dey deliver, dey born, dey give you, come dey sell dem out. As far as say you know all those people, say dem no dey use dem take dey do richi, say dem no get pikin, say dem be barren woman, dem no get pikin, barren people, dem no born, you dey sell and dey give dem. That means you don already know dem. Make you go carry all those children come. Things dey happen for this obodo Naija. I swear, mommy Gio when dey climb altar every Sunday, na it be this one na when dey do all this wuruwuru business, all this nyama business. Mommy Gio don dey keep people for inside room. They pay them as the belle be. And if you wan sell female, na 1.4. If you wan sell the male, na 1.5. The main one. Mommy Gio, fear God. Make na dey fear God small. Make na no dey use the name of God in vain. I fear una fear una. I swear. Now I will say her not meet this mommy Gio. Say you don succeed for this business, all this business when you do all this wuru business. Day break, mommy Gio go carry private jet. He say na God, say the manna fall for heaven, say the manna fall for heaven, say na miracle alert. He go come out, come dey give testimony, say God just bless am the time when he dey so age, say na miracle alert. Una no know say they don do all those wuru business wey no too clear. Miracle alert. My people, make una wake up, make una go find work o. All this mommy Gio, some of all this daddy Gio, if they tell una wetin they dey see, wetin they dey put their hands into, wetin they dey shook their hand, they put some of them, not all. Una go fear. This mommy Gio now, I will say her no meet her, nobody go know say he dey say another woman, another female when be like her pikin. 9 months pregnancy, you go carry the children, you go sell am. You dey talk say he never do richi. Madam, I carry hand for you. I should tell dey cry the crocodile tears. May na fear God small. May na dey fear God small. My people, na here now want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate.